It seems we're at a make or break. Which way are we gonna go? What's going on, guys? This is Yix here of Magnet Crypto, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I want to take a look at some technical analysis. We've been having a lot of positive price action in the last few weeks slash months. So it's always good to look at the technicals and see what that's actually telling us. So first and foremost, let's look at the total market cap. So it seems we have reached a very interesting zone at the moment. So as you can see, a nice wick to this level here and some wicks to this area here. This is clearly an area of resistance where we've hit this and reversed. We've hit this again now, and we seem to be pushing to break past this area of resistance. So this is definitely a make or break situation, where if we break past, we have a lot more room, or a decent amount of room, to grow at least up to 25-26%. As you can see here, once you break past this point, you know, the wicks got up to that level, and even up here, up to about 25%. If we break past this, it seems we're knocking at the door, but of course it can reverse, as has happened previously. We've reversed from this point and gone all the way down on a little downtrend, and then the COVID-19 crash happened. But it does look like momentum is on our side. We had a bit of a continuation pattern here before pushing on, so it does look positive that we might break this level and continue up and take a big bite of this pie over here. Looking at total the altcoin market, same exact situation. We're at a make or break point. You can see the wicks have hit this region before, and now we're trying to break through that resistance level. Also resistance in this area, and a very key level of support. It wicked during the 2018 crash, massive wick up to this level. So this is clearly a key level. So if we break past this, we have a little bit of room to grow, about 12% to grow. Obviously we can break this and continue higher. As you can see here, when we bounce from this point, we went all the way up to this level. So potentially, if we go full bull market mode, then it can literally go that high. But I mean, I think it might be a bit too early for that. Having said that, this is crypto, so anything is possible. But more realistic would be this level. And at the same time, if we do not break past this point, if we reject from this level as we did previously in June 2019, we could reject and then either use this as support or this area as support, or this zone right here. You can see it wicked perfectly to this area, so we could use that as support as well. So it will be a little correction, or maybe not so little, how much? About a 20% correction, which is a healthy correction as well. As you can see, we've really risen quite a lot since after the COVID-19 crash, about 171%. So another correction would be healthy and a good thing to see. Going into Bitcoin looking very good. Broke past that counter trend line beautifully and this somewhat symmetrical triangle. It was a nice continuation pair, as you can see. Now we've hit a key level of resistance at around $12,000 odd. Again, momentum is on our side, so we could break past this and then head all the way up to about 13,000, or we could reject and then use this resistance turn support. That's one scenario. But the other scenario, if we do break past and go to 13,000, we could then reject from there, and then this could turn from resistance to support. Also a likely outcome. So it's looking quite positive, very strong, very positive price action, very welcome. You know, been waiting a long time to break that 10k level, and it looks like we've done this very nicely. XRP looks like the rest of the market is at make or break. It's at 29 cents at the moment, basically in no man's land. Either we could continue going up to the next level of around 34 cents. We almost reached that a couple of days ago, a couple of weeks ago, but we were not able to make that, although it was a very strong rally, so understandably it ran out of steam. We could continue higher, bounce from this point, and then get the next level of resistance, next price target of 34 cents. The next one after that would be 38 cents, and then the next one after that would be 45 cents. Again, this is a make or break. We could reverse and then either hit the 25 cent level or even touch the trend line again to hit the 21-22 cent level, which is again still very healthy, because then it would actually turn this area of resistance to support, which is a very, very healthy thing to see, because if that does happen, then we would definitely bounce up and potentially go all the way up to 45 cents. So that's XRP. So that's basically what I want to cover in this video. Just to go back to the total market cap. So as you can see, volume has been increasing very much so since March of last year, increasing, massive spike at the turn of the year, massive spike, increase in volume. Since COVID-19, we've had a decrease in volume, but now we seem to be on the up again. So this is very, very positive to see. If we continue this kind of volume, then definitely we'll be entering the next zones, the next areas of resistance, and we'll be seeing much more bullish action. So I think what we basically need at the moment is, I'll hand this over to Mr. Donald Trump.
A little bit of luck.
Is a little bit of luck, but you always have to
be careful.
Very, very important. Always make sure to look at your downside risk, averaging your bias. Don't overinvest, even though it is very bullish and the FOMO seems to be kicking in. You always have to listen to what Trump says and
be careful.
He knows best. If you do play your cards right, then you will be making
billions and billions.
That's how much you'll be making.
Billions and billions.
Say it again.
Billions and billions.
Thank you. So I'll end that here. Hope you got some value from that. Very, very interesting times right now, and we are at a junction. So let's see which way we go. So see you in the next video. Peace.